In this video, we will show you how to prepare tris buffer using the solid and the acid solution. You will need tris-based solid, tris acid solution 0.20 molar, a 25 ml volumetric pipette, a 100 milliliter volumetric flask, a beaker labeled concentrated buffer, a wash bottle, and a beaker containing the solid tris base that you've weighed out. Use your wash bottle to dissolve the tris base solid that you've weighed out. Once you've added enough water, you can swirl to dissolve the solid. Once most of it is dissolved, you can go ahead and add it to your volumetric flask. Rinse the beaker with more water to make sure that all of the solid has been added to the volumetric flask. Then rinse the walls of the volumetric flask to make sure all of the solution is in the flask, and swirl to make sure it's all dissolved. Now you will add the tris acid. Insert the volumetric pipette that's designated for the solution into the bottle. Squeeze the bulb to pull solution into the pipette. Make sure you add more solution than the line indicates. Pull off the bulb. If you need to, squeeze the bulb again and pull more solution up. Now, keeping your thumb on top of the pipette, twist slowly until the solution reaches the line marked. Then remove your thumb and allow the solution to drain into the volumetric flask. Once the solution has been added completely, you will see that the pipette still contains some solution in the tip. This is normal and should not be added. Swirl to dissolve and mix the contents, then add distilled water from your wash bottle to the line. It is often helpful to add less than the line marked on the volumetric flask so that you can add the last bit carefully. Note how we slow down, go to eye level with the marking on the volumetric flask, and add slowly. At this point, it is often helpful to use a dropper instead of your wash bottle so you don't go over. Once you've reached the line on the volumetric flask, cap, invert, and shake to make sure that the solution is thoroughly mixed. Once the solution is mixed, you can pour all of this solution into your concentrated buffer beaker, which you will use to prepare the diluted buffer in the next step.